Hey everyone, check out the Rave Sports Diablo III Towable tube for your next day on the water. This heavy-duty inflatable holds up to 3 riders with a secure 510-pound capacity. Its unique D-shaped design and leg retention bumpers keep everyone stable during sharp turns. Riders will love the comfortable padded handles with EVA foam knuckle guards. A low-profile tapered shape makes boarding from the water super easy. The Quick Connect tow point lets you hook up your rope in just minutes. Get ready for an unforgettable summer adventure on the waves. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.